It is a beautiful day. I got home from work and decided to come outside to work some more on my camper, Willa Betty. Moses is also out here, so I'm hoping that I can show you some things he's doing in the shop if he'll let me. He's working on, he had some leftover wood pieces that I picked up when he was building the shop, and he's gonna make some birdhouses. So hopefully we'll get a Moses sighting on this video. But I'm going to head into Willa Betty and see what I can do. Keep going with her. I'm trying to set a goal of working on her for at least a couple of hours a week until I get it cleaned. And I'm kind of at the point now where I've got to make some thrift store runs to drop off donations and stuff that is no longer needed out there. But yeah, so stick with me. Let's see how she looks when we head in. Oh boy. Yep. Right where I left it all. This is all stuff that needs to be checked out by kids and spouse to see what can be donated and taken to the thrift store. I put that junky bag right on top because this all might be junky or another person's treasure. We don't know. But here is how she sits today, folks. I've got my wipes right there, and I redid the refrigerator here. Still got lots of work to do. I pulled down some pillows from the top shelf there so that I can make room for some of these baskets here. And here's how I left the tabletop last time I was out here, and here's the pile that I still have not gone through. So much to do just to get it cleaned up to then focus on recovering, repainting. There is some water damage I was noticing when I was cleaning the corner over here. We also have a window that's been out that desperately needs to get done. I have the piece of glass that I need to take down to a glass company and get it sized. Washing pillowcases for the extra pillows that were out here, and then we'll have the bed cleaned up and ready. So just another cleanup day out here to get it organized and back to being a little bit more functional. Yeah, stick around. Hold on, let me get just a second. Yeah, don't, come on now. You're such a stinker. Come back. Show off what you made.
It's a prototype.
That is adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow. Look at that man. I've probably been out here in the camper, even though you can't tell, for a good hour and a half. Maybe less. And he made this in that amount of time. How cute. Prototype, he says. Prototype, he says. That Moses, I tell you what. Look at this cute little bird house. I can't wait to paint it and get it out there and see little birdies. Okay guys, sun's going down, no electricity out here, and so I think my workout here is done for today. If you watched all of that, thank you. That was fun. We did get a Moses sighting after all, and I can see my floor. Hallelujah. There was a lot. You guys know. I'll show you before and after pics, but holy cow. Now, it's still gonna be some more days of cleanup and organizing, but I'm feeling pretty good. The countertop is back again. I'm leaving the fan in here because when we do get electricity again out here, I'll definitely will want to have that for summer guests this summer. Summer guests, you know who you are. And if you want to stay in the camper, it will be clean and ready for you. And the table has got quite a bit of crafting supplies out because I'm not quite sure where I want to place them. But I found so many treasures going through all of that stuff. And it was actually kind of really fun. And I felt like I wasn't alone because you guys were here but not here, you know. Thank you to the fam bam that has been following and new friends that have subscribed. I am still feeling so amateur at this. I am still so amateur at this, but I know that that other people say it, but it really is true. Anyone who likes and subscribes, I'm always just like, oh my gosh, you know, even family members, because like, you know, I don't know. It's just funny because I'm like, of course, if you family and friends that have told me that you've been watching ever had a YouTube channel, I'd be watching you for sure. It's a lot of fun. But anyways, thanks for following along on this journey of cleanup and organize of the camper, and Willa Betty is feeling good tonight. This is our third video in. There will be many more to come because, like I said before, she's gonna get a whole new look in here. I'm gonna do curtains and paint and even maybe attempt to lay a new floor in here now that I can see it. And Trista would be really proud. So Trista, if you're watching, Willa Betty, she's feeling good. She's feeling really good. We made some progress. Had some fun. All right, thanks.